Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Mifa Wild Camping. Now this is a portable, rugged Bluetooth speaker that has LED lights. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $170. Now before I review this, let me give y'all a quick backstory behind this product. If you watch my channel, I did a stream on New Year's and I made a bunch of resolutions. Number 1, drink water every day. I've been doing that. Number 2, do not buy any new sneakers. Now, I've been collecting sneakers for the last 15 years. I don't even wear most of them. So do not buy any new sneakers. And number 3, start working out outside in my backyard. Now, when I was in the best shape of my life, I was going to the gym, but I was also doing calisthenics in my backyard. So I decided to start doing that again. I went online to find a little portable, rugged Bluetooth speaker, but it has to have 2 things. It has to have LED lights, and it has to be able to connect to a speaker stand. And I think I found the perfect speaker. Now, I've been using it already for about a week. I like it so much, I bought another one, and I decided to review it. So if you like me and you want to work out outside at night, or you want to be more outdoorsy, you want to go camping, tailgating, fishing, maybe you want to have some late night scumbag clandestine activities, you're going to like this one. Now, let's go through the specs real quick. This one comes in 3 different colors. You got green, brown, and black. It's Bluetooth version 5.3, and it features dual pairing. That means you can pair 2 devices at the same time. Now, the weight of this speaker is 1.8 pounds, so not too heavy. Now, it's Ipx7 Waterproof and IP6X Dustproof, so it's extra rugged, and on a side note, it does float. So if you got a pool in your backyard and you want to go skinny dipping in the middle of the night, this one will float in the water. Now you're getting 360-degree sound. You got 2 full-range loudspeakers and 2 bass radiators. Now the max power on this is 20 watts. Now it does feature a micro SD card slot, so you can play music directly from a card, and you got a USB-A out, so you can charge other devices. Now the speaker features TWS, True Wireless Stereo. That means you could pair up to 100 speakers together. So if you got a big backyard and you want to light it up and synchronize your music, this is the right choice right here. Now the battery life on this is 38 hours. Okay, so that's a 9,600 milliamp battery. And one of my favorite features about this speaker, it features a 2-tone adjustable LED light. So you got soft white and candle light. And another important feature, it does have a mount for a speaker. For a stand. Okay, so you can mount this on a speaker stand. All right, so all of that for $170. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, so one more side note. Now, a lot of people have been asking me to review products that I actually use in the real world, and this is one of them. Now, before I unbox it, let me show you how I'm rocking this one. Okay, so I bought a little tripod like this, mounted the speaker on top, and this is perfect for my backyard. Now, before this, I was using a JBL Pulse, but the problem with the JBL Pulse, it's not that rugged. Okay, it's a delicate speaker. If it falls down, it's going to break. And number 2, it doesn't have the mount for a speaker stand. Okay, so this way, I can have the light at the right level. Here's the presentation. Now, this one, like I said, comes in 3 different colors. Inside, it comes with this nice, feels like a canvas nylon bag. Okay, perfect for storage. Got a little Mifa camping, okay, branding on it, real nice. This is going to be your speaker. Shoes, you want to check that out real quick? And you get this little box right here. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Now this was kind of interesting. You do get a bunch of troll stickers. Okay, you got the usual books and shit, plug them and file them. But a bunch of Mifa camping stickers. That's a nice touch. Again, plug it and file it. And you got your USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Shoes, inspect that for quality. And this is going to be the Mifa camping speaker. Now the first thing you want to do is peel this plastic off. There it is. Again, 1.8 pounds, nice and lightweight, but it does have a rugged feel to it. Okay, look at all that ruggedness. Okay, this is acrylic, so it's not going to break easily. The threads on the bottom. Okay, this is what I meant to say earlier. The threads on the bottom. This is important because a lot of people, even though it does have the handle on the top, you might not have anywhere to hook it at in your backyard. So if you're going to put it on the chair somewhere, put it on the floor, the light might not be at the right level. So being able to mount this to a tripod, this is the way I had it. I just adjusted it like this. So this way when I'm doing my pull-ups, I can make it higher. If I'm doing push-ups, I can make it lower. The threads on the bottom, very important. All right, so let's go through some of the other features. The little flap right here. Again, it's water resistant. There's your USB-A out, so you can charge up your phone, your tablet, whatever you got on deck. There's your micro SD card slot. Put a whole bunch of music on it. You don't have to use Bluetooth. Play music right from the card. And there's your USB Type-C charging slot. Okay, tucks everything right in just like that. Power button with your LED on the front. Okay, your lights are right underneath there. And this is full 360-degree sound. On the top, here's all your buttons. So you got play and pause, skip and reverse tracks. You got volume up and down. This wheel right here, this is how you adjust the brightness of your LED lights. Now you also got your multi-pairing button. So if you got more than one speaker, true wireless stereo. This is your light button, turn the lights on and off, and also cycle between candlelight and soft white. And here's your mode button. So you got Bluetooth, or if you put in the SD card, switch over to SD card. Simple enough, okay? Now let me grab a little phone, we'll pair this up, and we'll start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so before we check the sound quality, let's take a look at the lights. Now you got two different colors. You got campfire and soft white. So we're gonna start off with campfire. I'm gonna use the wheel on the top. This is minimum brightness. Okay, so it kind of looks like a lantern. Now let's increase it more, a little bit more. And here's max brightness. Look at that. This is nice and bright. Now watch this. I'm gonna turn it down some. Now let's switch over to soft white. And this is if you want even more light. Here's maximum brightness. Now I'm sitting down here in complete darkness, and you can actually see it's lighting up the room. If I wanted to read something, I could easily read it. Now, depending on the size of your space, you might want to get two of these, and look how much more light you get. Now, if I had these on the speaker stand and it was nice and high, it would look like this. Okay, so the lights, beautiful. All right, so here's how you control the lights. You see that little light button on the top? You just press it once. That's going to turn it on. Now you can cycle between soft white and campfire. Now you use the wheel on the top to make it brighter or dimmer. And if you want to turn it off, just long press on the light button. Just that simple. Now, if you want to use the speaker as a power bank, all you got to do is power it up, plug in a USB-A cable, grab your device, plug it in. Now to pair up the speaker, real simple. You're just gonna hold down the mode button for about 2 seconds. You're gonna hear a little beep. That's gonna put the speaker in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the Mifa while camping. All right, so let's play some music. Now I'm gonna start off at 50% volume. Here we go. Let's increase to maximum volume. Now, one of the things that I love about this speaker is the 360-degree sound. So if you're having a little card game or something and you got the speaker on the table, no matter which way it's facing, everybody's going to hear the music the same. Let's try another song. right, so now let's check the buttons for play and pause. One press. Now, if you want to skip to the next song, long press.
Shout out to the Google gangster.
If you want to go to the previous track, double press. And you got volume up and down.
Yeah. Trapper.
That's max volume.
Shout out to the
Volume
Google
low.
gangsters. Yo, feel like Floss with this new tech.
All of the buttons work. All right, so now let's try true wireless stereo. Now remember, you can pair up to 100 speakers. So you just go to the first speaker, hold down the true wireless stereo button.
TWS pairing.
Do the same thing on the second speaker.
TWS pairing. TWS connected.
Just that simple. Now let's play some music. All right, so I got the official Flossy Carter sound test by my homeboy Mark Rubier. Now I'm going to start off at 50% volume with two speakers paired together. Here we go.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test.
Now, this would be perfect for sitting in your house or sitting in your backyard and you don't want to make too much noise. Stereo mode sounds great. But now for me, when I'm working out, I need louder music. So let's run it back at maximum volume. Here we go.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. Sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, holla. How's the sound, white shoes? How's the sound on it? Sound, baby. That's a sound test.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Rubier. Let's get and wrap this video up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Mifa Wild Campings a major go. This is exactly what I was looking for. The battery life is excellent. They're lightweight and portable. You got the extra rugged design. They're water resistant, dust proof. They do float in the water. You got the handle on the top that makes it easy to carry. You got the threads on the bottom so you can mount it to a tripod. They sound great. And my favorite feature, the two-tone adjustable LED lights. These are worth every penny. Anyway, Mifa Wild Campings, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Street Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat poison left. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock one to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.